Artificial intelligence is changing the world, but not all AI is created equal. To understand where we are and where we're going, you need to know the three main types of machine intelligence: AI, AGI, and ASI. Let's start with AI, artificial intelligence. This is what powers tools like ChatGPT, Siri, or your Netflix recommendations. It's narrow, meaning it can only do specific tasks it was trained for. It doesn't actually understand what it's doing, it's just really good at mimicking intelligence. Next is AGI, artificial general intelligence. This is the goal of many tech giants, including Elon Musk's XAI and OpenAI. AGI can think, reason, learn, and adapt across any task, just like a human. It's not just trained to follow commands. It understands context. It can solve problems it hasn't seen before. And it learns how to learn. AGI is what Grok 4 is inching toward. It's a system that doesn't just respond, it thinks. Then comes ASI, artificial superintelligence. This is the endgame. A system that surpasses human intelligence in every way: logic, creativity, emotion, decision-making. Think of it as Einstein, Tesla, and the internet, all combined into one brain, and then multiplied by a million. Many experts believe that once we reach AGI, the leap to ASI could happen fast. Some say within days, or even just a few hours. That's why understanding this progression isn't just interesting, it's essential. We're living in the middle of this transformation. And whether it ends in utopia, dystopia, or something in between, will depend on how we guide the next steps. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of complex AI topics, and help spread the signal.